This is a 2008 Hampton Bay Glendale 52-inch ceiling fan in my neighbor's house. This is in one of the bedrooms. Yeah, this is an older one. You can see it says the Hampton Bay on the pull chains. Pretty sure this might be from 2007 actually. These are pretty nice fans. It's like mine but newer. And it's 52 inches. I'm assuming this one might be a little better. So yeah, here is low. The motor does buzz just a little bit, but I mean, it's running on the reverse mode right now. We'll go ahead and turn on to the regular rotation in a second. Okay, here it is. It's got a rather slow low, but pushes a small breeze. I mean, it's very gentle, slight breeze. Then here is medium. And it whirls up a little breeze. And then here is high. Just wobble just a little, but pushes a nice amount of air. I actually really like these fans, especially the ones from the 2000s. And then here is alright, back to the reverse cycle, and then here is thank you for watching, and it's over now.